Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 101 Symmetric Tree. The problem statement is, given the root of a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself, symmetric around its center. If you look at example number 1, left hand side of node 1 is exactly the mirror of 2 is on the left hand side of node 1 and also on the right hand side. The node 3, which is on the very left side of node 1, is also on the very right side of node 1. If you look at example number 2, node 2 are symmetric, but node 3, it is on the right hand side of this 2. It is also on the right hand side of this 2, which breaks the symmetric rule. So we return false. This is a very easy problem. It can be solved using both DFS or BFS approach, because we need to iterate through all of the nodes to figure out if it is mirror or not. Both of the solutions will prove to be an effective one. Let's switch to whiteboard and quickly discuss how we can build our iterations to solve this problem. So the idea is that once we start iterating from the parent or the root node, we'll be comparing the left and the right at each node. So when I am at root, which is 1, my comparison would be roots left, is it equal to roots right? If this condition is met, then I will go one layer deeper where I will compare this node 3 with this node. The root nodes left dot left, and it should be compared against root nodes right dot right. If the conditions are met, good, we'll continue the iteration or else return false. If we are doing the other way, like going to the right hand side, it should be root nodes left dot right, and it should be equal to r dot L. Let me show you how we can implement this logic using C# to make it much more easier to understand. In the main method, I am checking if the root is null. If it is, then I'm simply returning true. If not, then I'm calling this traverse method, where I'm passing the left and the right. If both the left and the right are null, it means it is still symmetric or mirror of each other, so we are returning true. If the left dot value is not equal to right dot value, because we are looking at the opposite sides, so we need to compare the left and the right value. If the values do not match, then we return false. If they do, then I'm calling the traverse method with the left and the right legs. So I'm passing the left leg's left node and want to compare it against the right node's right leg. This condition is actually to check these two nodes with each other. And if this condition is sufficed, then I'm calling the other one where I'm passing the left dot right, which is this, and comparing it against right dot left, which is this node. It will continue the iterations recursively. With this solution, our time complexity is O of n, where n is the maximum depth of the binary tree, and our space complexity is O of 1. As we are not saving anything, we are doing the comparison on the fly and returning the results. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions made so far in terms of time complexity, and in terms of memory consumption, it beats almost 45% of the submissions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand my explanation and this solution. The link to the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.